Alrighty y'all, welcome back to Red Beard Engineered. Today we're going to be making a laser cut jig for stamping your hardware wallet seed phrase into stainless steel washers. By putting your Bitcoin wallet's backup seed phrase on steel, you harden it against damage during fire or flood. I want to note here that this design was invented and popularized by Blockmit with a 3D printed jig. My rendition will be made from 1/8 of an inch laminated wood that the user can make on a laser engraver. I will be putting a completely free set of plans to my laser cut version of this jig, along with affiliate links to other required items like washers and punches in the video's description below. The process here is pretty darn simple. You're going to need to cut out one base plate and 3 top plates, along with 5 rotating hub pieces. I designed this jig to have 1/8 of an inch mounting holes on all 4 corners and a number 7 drill sized hole through the center of the 5 hub pieces to be tapped with a 1/4 thread. The base plate was designed for common 8mm washers. These washers list an outer diameter of 24mm, however I found them to be a little smaller. The jig y'all are seeing here is actually the 3rd iteration of the design, since I had to cut multiple versions to get all of the dimensions right. You'll see later that I ended up hand filing a few pieces briefly to fit up just right. To assemble the jig, I used an 1/8 of an inch drill bit in all 4 corners of the guide. This allowed me to keep all the pieces lined up during the glue up. It probably wasn't necessary, but I decided to run 2 screws through the laminated jig for additional support. I tapped the number 7 laser cut hole to a 1/4 thread. This allowed me to use a cap head screw to aid in hub strength, and also gave me something to hold onto when using the jig. There is a lot of force being applied around the hub with the hammer and punch, especially if you have a miss hit. I found that this cap head screw improved the strength of the hub greatly. My hub started with 5 layers, and by the time I was done stamping all of my seed words, one of these layers had popped off. It just so happened to be the layer that the cap head screw did not go through. The punches in the punch set are not 100% uniform, and I needed to use a needle file to slightly enlarge the square slot in my hub for a few of them to fit. Non-perfect alignment of the lamination could have also played a role in this snug fit. As y'all just saw, stamping is pretty straightforward. Take your time here and get a solid square hammer blow so that you don't risk damaging your jig and you get a very nice mark. I used my hand torch to get these washers up to a cherry red, which is in the neighborhood of 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. I did this just to verify that the stamps will still be legible after going through extreme heat. Alright, so our jig worked pretty good, and now that we have our seed, we're going to put it onto a bolt. Now, I just stamped out the numbers on these 24 washers to give you an idea of the size. I'm obviously not going to share my seed phrase on the internet. But I have a stainless steel bolt here. These bolts I will put a link to in the description of this video. They're around 2.5 inches long, and I'm pretty sure these are 5/16 bolts, which is pretty much 8 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on here, and then I'll measure the stack just to give you an idea of the size bolts you could buy. All right, with the whole stack on here, I'm going to go ahead and measure out the total stacked height of the washers, which comes in at about 1.77 inches. And that gives you more than enough room on a 2.5-inch bolt to add your stainless steel nuts. Now, it's almost too much length. You can probably take a 1/4 inch off of this and be fine, or you can just double nut it. You may want to put some additional washers on the top and the bottom, or just flip them around so you can't actually read them. I kind of like adding a washer on the top and the bottom as just an extra level of protection. So yeah, this is a 24-word seed. If you're using a 12-word seed, you can use a shorter length bolt like this one. So this would be around 8.7 inches for a 12-word seed. And this bolt is in the neighborhood of, maybe 1.5 inches to 1.25. It's probably 1.25. So, hey, that's how you do it. This is obviously very robust. This is a good way to store your seed. It's better than paper, and it will last the test of time. All right, so there you have it. You have your seed now stamped on stainless steel. It should be impervious to fire for sure, and probably for flood, depending on how long it would be submerged in a high chloride fluid. Maybe if you kept it there for a decade or two, it could corrode, but let's try to keep our seed phrases out of salt water. And then you can put this wherever you want, and it will be a great backup to your hardware wallet. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button down below and consider subscribing to the channel. This is Red Beard Engineered, signing off.